Wonderful. It want to be wonderful. If you want it, if you like it. Let me show you. Oh boy, boy. Only push this button, take it out. Oh boy, oh boy. The wire is very thin. Look at this, very thin the wire. I can drive it. My machine. Oh, what's going? What's wrong? What's wrong here? Do you know what is wrong here? The wire. Only the wire. Too much wrong. The wire. He drinks too much wine. This is the problem. Here is the problem. Can you see that? Here, this is the wire is with the problem. And it open and change the wire. But it's too thin. It's too thin. Lighting. Look at this. It's lighting. Can you see that? And you can drive it. What you need, drive. When you are repairing one toy, electronic, or smartphone, you feel so good for yourself. They like the song. They like the song. They like the sound. Beautiful. And the sound, and the sound, the gun sounds, machine gun sounds. What can I do to hear? Oh shit. Oh. This is the weapons, the machine guns of my aircraft. Look very, very nice. You see it? Oh my god. This is lightning. It's over. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's too hot. It's too hot. But beautiful. Was too hot but beautiful. This night. Wonderful. The terror of the sky. The terror of the sky, you know? Wonderful, no? Oh, the lights. Look the lights on my aircraft. You like it? I love it. Oh, I love it. It's beautiful. Machine. Warrior. The warrior. Beautiful warrior. This is the problem. Only the problem. It is. Here is the problem. The wire. Fighting, my aircraft, fighting. What more is he doing? for our country, the United States of America. Keep away the immigrant caravan. How said our President Donald J. Trump. And, oh, look at here, can you hear the machine guns working? The machine gun working. The machine gun working. This is the problem. Here is the problem. This wire. This wire is the problem. Too much. Beautiful bird. Good boy. G.I. Joe, a real American hero. He's barking. He's too crazy, you know? He's too crazy. You think so? He's too crazy? Me too. Thank you very much for watching and give me a like. For the United States patriots around the world, in the United States and outside. I promise defend the Constitution of the United States for enemies inside or outside of the United States of America. Thank you very much. For you, President Donald J. Trump. Good work and